This is about manifesting money in a way you might not have tried before. The short version of it is to have a little meeting with whatever forces surround us. I call it the speak up method, and I've been testing this now for 7 years, and for many things in people's lives it seems to do the trick. I'm not guaranteeing anything, of course. When looking at these comments, I've got, I don't know, hundreds of them now, there is something to this. And you can check it out in the description below. I'm going to give you an example of what happened recently for me in my life when it comes to money. This is Chelsea in London. And I'm going to play a little clip for you. Something I said on a live stream, having a meeting which I believe is spirit. You can call it the quantum field, your intuition, higher self, source, really doesn't matter. You know what I think? I think we know that we live on a spinning ball in an endless universe. So we know we don't know everything, right? Because that's insane. And just opening up for the possibility that there might be something we don't know yet out there is enough for this to work. So here's what I said on this live stream when it came to money. I have felt very called to London, maybe, or to UK, maybe it's a place to live. I'm going to ask about that later. But and I have the ticket for UK, if you think it's in my best interest to go there on that date I have the ticket for, I need some clear guidance on to do that. Otherwise I'll stay in Norway. And one of the signs I need is knowing that there will be enough money to do it, because UK and London, or maybe Brighton also popped up, is expensive. So if we want to do that, I need some reassurance or some signs that is going to be okay. Otherwise, I will stay in Norway. So please help me with that if you can. And the day after, or the day after that, boom, 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 things just fell into place. I had the opportunity to go here. And then you might think, oh, just a coincidence, Terry. Those things would have happened anyway. Well, yes. Totally agree with you if you have that perspective. And I encourage being critical to me and to what I say. You should be critical to everybody. I think being critical and in fact having doubt is a good thing. It keeps us grounded. It keeps us sane, not flying off into the sky. And it keeps us in charge. So be critical. The thing is, when I look at my life and look at all the comments I've gotten, it's too many coincidences for it to be a coincidence. The math doesn't add up. But here's an important thing if you want to try something similar. Well, there's a level of guessing here, okay? I don't claim to know everything about this. That would be not grounded and not sane. Thing is, I find that if you are on track, if you are doing the things you in many ways are supposed to do in your life, if you found the path, your purpose, if you will, things like this happen easier. I was so drawn and guided to London. I'm quite sure I'm going to spend a lot of time here. Not exactly sure for what yet, but that's coming to me. And I think London is on my path. And when things are on your path, things comes easier. The tip is to follow flow. As one of the easiest way to find out if you are on your path, things come to you easily. Still work, you still need to do stuff, but you're not hitting your head against a brick wall. People answer your emails, people find you, things happen quite easily. Spirit would, or the quantum field, the web, would never deny you the right to go down any path you want. That's up to you. But it seems to me like Spirit goes, yeah, sure, go down there if you want to. I'm not going to give you a lot of help down there, because this is not for you right now.
But go ahead. So if you stop and if you listen and if you follow flow, that is a great advice. In the description down below, there's a link. It takes you to the Speak Up method. You can take a look at it if you want to learn all about these things. And down there is also, for free, the whole script that I use, and people have used hundreds of them to manifest a better life. The whole script is there. Now, you can buy the Speak Up method for 27 euros, $31 or something. You don't have to. That script on that page will help you. But if you do want to test out the whole method, and if it doesn't work, just send me an email, write refund. You'll find all the details on that link. Just say refund, and I'll send you your money right back. No questions. After 7 years of testing this, roughly 15% asks for a refund, and 85% says, hey, there's something here. This seems to be working. So the learning points of this video: have a meeting with the forces, with the Force, if you will. George Lucas in Star Wars, you know, the Force apparently had a spiritual advisor when it came to how to present the Force. So it's not way off from what I believe in the Force in the Star Wars. And number 2, to check if you're on your right path, check for flow. Is it a brick wall, or does it come to you quite easily? And check the link below if you want to. See ya.